In the middle of a hayfield.
In the middle of a hayfield? Do you know why I brought you here today?
No.
Do you want to ride that?
Maybe.
It's all yours. Let's see. Can you ride a 50-year-old or a 52-year-old trail bike?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. We're out here in the middle of a beautiful grass field in upstate New York. Actually, we're in Pennsylvania, aren't we?
Yeah.
Just across the Pennsylvania border. And we have two machines here and one kid. We have a 1970 Trail 70 and we have a CRF 50. I think the time has come for Rennen to give this 53-year-old trail bike a try. Can you sit on it and touch?
Yeah.
Can you touch the pegs?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you touch the ground? A little bit? Okay. What do you think? Want to give it a try? I'll help you out, of course. Okay, so these gears are all up. There's no down gears. So if you push it all the way, wait, it's all down gears. That's it. It's all down. So that bike over there is all up. These are all down. So kick it all the way up. Okay, looks like it's in neutral. So go ahead and turn that key on. Turn the key down there in the middle. Turn it to the middle. There you go. All right. I'm going to try to start you up here. I'd let you try to start it, but it's kind of tricky sometimes. There we go. All right, so go ahead and kick it up one notch. Wait, down. I'm sorry, down. Okay, you're in first. See what you got. There he goes. A 7-year-old on a 53-year-old trail bike. This bike's been in my family since the 70s. Oh, coming in for a landing. Take it for more of a spin. Well, just take it easy for a bit. And remember, when you shift, you got to shift up.
Yeah.
Okay.
You mean down?
Yeah, down. Look at that, he took off on his own. So this is a 53-year-old trail bike. It's a 1970 Honda Trail 70. It's been in my family since before I was born. So I think my parents bought it a couple years into the 70s, probably 72 or 73. And I remember it as a kid, never really working right. It's always lived here in upstate New York by where we grew up in Long Island, a couple hours north of Long Island here. And it's never worked right until I got a hold of it as an adult and started kind of restoring it a little bit. So I always thought it'd be fun to have Rennen give it a try. And he's able to do that. Now he's 7 years old, he's pretty tall. So he's doing pretty good on it. He looks cool on it. Actually looks like the right size for the bike, surprisingly. So I just thought it'd be fun to give him a try on it, see what he thought. So pretty rugged little bike. It's a little difficult to ride. Those handlebars are close together. The gear pattern, the shift pattern is down instead of up. Like it's down on that bike, but it's up on that bike. It's kind of wonky. It has a left-hand rear brake handle and the foot pedal that work together. So if you're pressing down on the foot pedal, it works kind of in conjunction with the left-hand lever. And then the right-hand lever is the front brake. And it's just got a really weird seating position. So weird bike to ride, but I thought he'd enjoy giving it a try. Nice work. What do you think?
I like it.
Is it pretty crazy?
Yeah.
It's weird, isn't it? Yeah. Nice job. Not a lot of people can ride that bike. It's kind of difficult. All right. You ready to hop back on your CRF 50?
Yeah.
All right. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Did you talk enough?
I didn't talk at all.
Well, you're supposed to.
Oh, I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, go ride around and tell us what you think about the bike. Like, is it weird? What do you think? It's like your review.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
So, I'm riding this old bike. I don't know what it's called, but I was riding my CR50 and my dad said it was a surprise. So I don't know what happened there. And I'm glad. I like it.
Good?
Yeah.
Did you give it a review?
Yeah.
Good. Nice job. Good job getting it back into gear.
Yeah.
Yeah.